Let's start on your business Facebook page. Tap the Publishing Tools tab. On the left column, travel down to Job Applications. Select the Create Job tab on the left. Fill in the information in each field. You can require applicants to respond to questions as fill in yes or no in multiple choice, as well as adding additional questions. Upload an image from your computer or use the Facebook business page cover image. Add an email address to get notified by email. Preview the job listing if you'd like. Tap Post Job. Facebook provides the option to reply when an application is received. This is entirely optional. Select the Manage Jobs tab on your business Facebook page. You'll see a listing of applicants. Tap Select Status and decide what to do with each application. Tap on Job Posts in the Manage Jobs tab of your business. Select Close Job to stop showing the job opportunity. If you want the job posting removed from your Facebook, tap the three dots in the upper right of the post, followed by the Delete button.